Hey, it's Ben. I just wanted to show you this Aru um, Apple TV remote control. So if you're like us, we're always losing our Apple TV remote. And actually, we've had this so long, we've lost the back to the battery case, which I'm sure is a common story for families. So we love this for several reasons. So I just want to show you, first of all, the power button controls both the TV and the Apple TV. So that's just nice. You can use the one remote for that. And we also love that this has a volume on it. So the volume actually works for the TV. I don't know how it works, but it works. And then all the controls for the Apple TV work on this. So you can go back. If you double click on this, it brings you out to um, where you can cycle through the different apps. And you can mute, play, and back. And it just works really well. So the one downside is that you can't use the voice control on this. So if you're searching for something, you've got to type it out. But a lot of times we'll just use our phone remotes for that. On the occasion we need to use that. Also, it is thin like an Apple TV remote. So this can get lost down in the cracks of your couch cushions. We're always losing this still. But it's nice to have a much more affordable replacement option. This is made out of plastic, not like metal like the Apple remotes are. So it just feels like it's a lot more, you're not losing out on so much if you lose this remote. But we love this. If we lose this or if it breaks, I'm going to buy another one of these. Just works great. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.